You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A very interesting Swedish word that is also now used in English, meaning just the right amount, or not too much, not too little. In Swedish, let's hear it said and then you'll hear how to say it in English. Lagom. So you have a long R sound. Lagom. Lagom. Now in English you can say it similarly. Lagom. Lagom. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.